Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Love Spell Specialist Molana. Today I am telling you about attraction spell. A lot of people think attraction spell are about changing someone else's mind, but authentic magic is actually about shifts in psychology and energy. Today we are scripting a classic honey jar spell not to control anyone but to magnetize your own aura so you naturally attract romance opportunities or better friendships. Spells of attraction are a very powerful set of spells. They deal with how others see you, or in the case they are casted on another person, how others see them. When these spells backfire or are cast incorrectly, the results usually end up going against the caster in the worst possible way. In nearly all cases, the caster becomes uglier and uglier. For this reason, the exact ingredients must be used for each spell and the spells cast exactly as stated. Materials needed to cast the spell: a small glass jar to hold your ingredients and compress your intent. Honey or sugar used traditionally in folklore as a sweetening agent to make your energy sweet and inviting to others. Rose quartz or clear quartz crystals to amplify intentions of self-love, openness and harmony. Herbs of attraction: cinnamon for speeding up the manifestation process and adding warmth, dried rose petals or lavender for peace, emotional connection and patience. A pink or white candle: pink represents romantic platonic affection, white is a universal substitute for pure intent. Paper and pen to write your intention script, often called a petition. The procedure: how to cast it. Write the petition. Write down your intention on a small piece of paper. Instead of writing a specific person's name, write the qualities you want to attract. Example: I attract honest, loving and passionate relationships. Fold the paper toward you 3 times to symbolize pulling that energy into your life. Layer the ingredients. Place the folded paper at the bottom of the jar. Drop in your crystals, followed by the cinnamon and rose petals. Pour the honey or sugar over the top until the ingredients are completely covered, visualizing your life filling with sweet, positive experiences. Seal the intent. Close the jar tightly. Place your pink or white candle firmly on top of the lid or right next to it on a safe fireproof dish. Light the candle carefully, signaling to your mind that the intention is now set and active. Meditation and focus. Sit quietly while the candle burns safely. Visualize yourself feeling happy, confident, and surrounded by the people or opportunities you want to attract. Once you are done, let the candle burn down completely in a safe location. Then store the jar in a private space. Crucial precautions. In folklore and modern ethics, trying to force a specific person to like you against their will is considered a major misstep. Psychologically, it breeds obsession rather than healthy attachment. Always focus the script on attracting the right match for you rather than targeting an individual. Fire safety. Never leave a burning candle unattended, especially near dried herbs, paper, or wooden surfaces. Ensure your jar and candle are placed on a heat resistant tray. Action is required. Remind your viewers that magic is a catalyst, not a shortcut, and attraction spell would not work if you stay locked in your room. You still have to put yourself out there, socialize, and take practical action in the real world. For more information, contact Maulana Jubair Ali. Phone number is 8847091735. Send your queries on WhatsApp. Thank you, guys.